This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. This video will show you how to dual wire your vehicle for both halogen and use the match program on the website to verify you have the correct vehicle side plug-in harness kit and isolation module for your vehicle's specific headlight application. Also, before beginning a dual wire application, always ensure that LED plow lights are a valid application for your vehicle. If you are completing a new vehicle and plow installation, the match program will also provide you with the LED plow headlight kit part number needed for your installation. If you only need vehicle side wiring for this installation, there are additional LED wiring kits available for varying scenarios. The components needed for the vehicle side are the headlamp control module, HCM, the vehicle harness assembly, 16-pin vehicle lighting harness, dual wire adapter, isolation module, plug-in harness, vehicle battery cable, vehicle control harness, and a 200 amp fuse kit. When installing the vehicle battery cable, vehicle control harness, isolation module, and plug-in harness, follow the installation instructions included with the plug-in harness kit. Connect the dual wire adapter's 10-pin connector into port A of the isolation module. Next, connect the halogen 11-pin harness connector into the connector coming off the dual wire adapter. The other end of the dual wire adapter will plug into port X of the HCM. Mount the HCM in close proximity to the isolation module. The HCM should always be mounted with the connection ports facing down. If possible, mount the HCM in an area that is protected from road splash. Locate the 16-pin vehicle harness and plug the 20-pin connector into port Y of the HCM and route the 16-pin molded plug through the grille of the vehicle. Take the single red wire on the 16-pin vehicle harness assembly and connect it to the HCM terminal. The single-pin ground connector coming off the LED 16-pin vehicle harness will not be connected. When dual wiring, ensure ground connector from the plug-in harness is connected to the ground connector on the halogen 11-pin lighting harness. Connect the vehicle cable assembly to the vehicle battery with the black lead going to the negative terminal and the red lead to the positive terminal. Connect the 2-pin connector from the HCM power cable to the mating 2-pin connector on the LED vehicle harness. On a 2017 or newer Ford Super Duty, the 2-pin relay enable plug will remain connected to the halogen 11-pin harness. The 2-pin relay enable plug on the 16-pin LED vehicle harness will not be used. On a 2015 or newer Dodge 25 to 5500, the orange wire located on the LED vehicle harness and orange wire located on the halogen 11-pin harness will both need to be spliced to the white and brown park wire coming from the vehicle side body control module. The LED plow lights have a feature called Edge View, which provides a full 180 degrees of light visibility from plow edge to edge for view of the plow's operating environment. The Edge View feature will come standard from the factory in the on position, which means the edge lights will be on all the time whenever the plow lights are on. This feature can be changed to only activate during the float function, or this feature can be turned to the off position. To activate Edge View when the plow is in float mode, connect one end of the blade edge light wire assembly to the yellow wire located on the plow side lighting harness and connect the other end of the blade edge light wire assembly to the wire coming off of port B of the control harness at the plow module that is dedicated to the float function. After connecting the yellow wire to the wire that activates the down function, you will have to change the position of the blade edge light jumper fuse on the vehicle side lighting harness to the float position. If you want to disable this feature, you will have to change the position of the jumper fuse to the off position. Thank you for watching. For additional information or questions regarding a dual wire setup, please contact the technical support team for further guidance.